In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can watch Thursday Night Football on YouTube TV and how to do it. The good news is that Thursday Night Football is available on YouTube TV, as it airs on Amazon Prime Video, which is included in YouTube TV's channel lineup through the NFL on Prime package. To watch, simply open the YouTube TV app or website, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video channel, and select the Thursday Night Football game. If you don't see it immediately, ensure your subscription includes access to Amazon Prime Video content. Additionally, you can use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record the game if you want to watch it later or rewatch key moments. Keep in mind that some games may also air on traditional networks like Fox or NFL Network, which are also included in YouTube TV's standard plan. If this video helped you figure out how to watch Thursday Night Football on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.